What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hammerstang, and today we got a new and exciting product over here from PetMate, and they have sent over the Pamu Slide 2, which I'm just super excited to check out and review for you guys. And of course, if you guys want to purchase this through my link, you can use my discount code right down below over there for 20% off your purchase, which of course is an exciting new deal. And of course, today what we're going to do is of course go through the key specs and features of this new earbuds over here from PetMate. And of course, just want to show you guys what to expect if you guys do decide to get it. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so before we go on to the unboxing side of things, let us just check out the packaging that we have over here. And I gotta say, it looks really nice, very simple, very minimalistic. I gotta say, looks very nice, very clean, and of course small and tiny. That's not what she said. And on the bottom here, we do have the major key specs and features, the hybrid ANC, which I'm just super excited to check out. We have the ANC as well for your smart calling and voice enhancement. These are just the tip of the icebergs when it comes to features. Over here we have a lot more stuff which we are going to check out in a little bit. But before we do that, let's just unbox this bad boy up. Just shake it a little bit. Alright, let's take this out. And I got the white color variant and no regrets at all. It just looks really unique and nice, very lightweight. And let's just see what else we have inside the box. Okay, it's quite hard to take out, that's what she said. And let's just take this off. Okay, I think I may have ruined a little bit of box. Not to worry, not to worry. Okay, and I would assume that we're gonna have our cables and stuff inside here and some manual books. Oh, nice. We have a nice pouch to keep your earbuds all clean and nice. What else we have inside here? We have some wing ear tips. Nice white silicone ear tips. And we have your USB-C for your charging as well. And one thing to highlight to you guys is that it does support your wireless charging, so you don't have to worry about it. If you have any iPhones, or okay, iPhones don't support that, but if you have any cheap wireless chargers, you have your Samsung devices, you can just pop it on the back and it will get the job done. Let's just slide this off. You know what, let's just clear out everything. So 1 2 3, let's go. All right, so everything's all cleared and ready to go. Let's just talk about the design on this, and I gotta say, it just looks really nice, very interesting. Over here we have this kind of matte feel to it. It does have that, you know, that kind of sound, you know, if you guys like to fidget around. It's just really nice. And we have the USB-C for charging, wireless charging, as I mentioned before. And let's just slide this out, and man, it looks just really so cool. I mean, if you guys, you know, like me, you like to just fidget around, you don't have to buy a separate one. You can just use this, slide in, slide off, and it works really smooth, I would say. I mean, look at this, it's quite nice, and you can just slap this into your pocket or throw it in your bag. You know, it's quite small, it's very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about the extra baggage. Over here, in terms of design, I really do like the finish on this. It does have that nice matte feel to it. Very premium indeed, not slacking out in terms of the design. And now let's check out the earbuds here before we test them out. And again, it's very lightweight, and I have to say, I really do like the designs here. It looks really cool. If you can look at it at some light angles, you can see the P sign here for the PetMate. And overall, I just gotta say, it looks really nice, very lightweight, very comfortable to hold, not very rough or whatsoever. It just feels really good. And of course, I do review a lot of earbuds, and I gotta say, this one here definitely is looking really nice over with the Pamu Slide 2. Alright, so let me just set up with my phone and I'll show you guys how to do it. So I'll see you guys in the next part. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to pair this up with your phone. So if you're using the iOS or even any Android phone, what you have to do, of course, is to turn on your Bluetooth, go down to the Bluetooth settings, pop the case open, and what you need to do, of course, is to click here, connect it to your ears. They will tell you that the power is on. And what you want to do is, yes, just connect it like any other Bluetooth device. Once that is all done, what you want to do is go back to the Pamu app, which you can download on the Apple Store or the Play Store. And what you do is just connect it, and it should get the done. You can close the case if you want to. And this is basically how it would look like. So very nice app, I would say. Quite complete. You have different mode settings over here. You can check out the unbind device. You can go on to the ANC mode. You can go for just simple wind noise reduction, ANC, and of course some audio pass, which is all really cool, and I'm just super excited to check out. In terms of the sound effects as well, we have a lot of stuff that you can change to. And then we have the gaming mode for you gamers out there. For me, I'm not too much, so I'm just gonna put to, you know, probably low latency. And then vocal enhancement, if you guys are going to use this for your lectures or for some lessons, you know, you can just use it over here. And yes, automatic in-ear detection, which is something I really do like on my earbuds. And in terms of firmware update, you can check it out as well. And personal settings, a lot of things, so you can actually customize a lot of things, which I really do like, especially when it comes to wireless earbuds. Double click feature, you can change it over here, press and hold, and yeah, this all looks all really nice, and we are going to test out. And this is basically how it looks like, all really nice and ready to... Okay, so now moving forward, let's check out how fast would this connect to my ears when I'm listening to some content, and we're going to test out the touchpad controls as well. So let me just play something here.
Today, introducing
okay, right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 to 5 seconds. And if I go to the left side, 1, 2, about 2 seconds, and the left side connects. So now go on to the touchpad controls, single tap. Alright, and then single tap on the other side as well. Alright, works really nice. And if I double tap on the right side, okay, and let's go on to the left side. Okay, works really nice. And one thing I always like is the volume controls. So if I slide up, as we can see there, volume controls. And if I swipe down, as we can see there, volume control works really fun. And if I tap and hold, it will go on to some ANC settings. And alright, so it's a bit hard to show you guys, but we had some ANC changes when I was tapping on this. Okay, so one thing I want to talk about here is when it comes to the charging. So like I mentioned, it does support your Qi wireless charging. So I have a wireless power bank. So let's turn this on. And one thing I really do like about this is the charging animation. So as we can see here, you're gonna have your LED indicators. Works really fun. And again, if you want to use your cable, you can just plug it in USB-C, and again you will have the LED indicators on the center over here. Works really fun, and I really do like this. I mean, it's showing that it's charging, and as well you can just check out the battery indicator, the battery health, and it just works really nice. And this one here does give you about 26 hours of listening time, which is a really long time. So I mean, you can just carry this on for your long trips, your long holidays. When you're sitting on those long flights, you can actually use it, so it's really cool. Okay, so now we are going to test out that beautiful ANC that we have here. They have the hybrid ANC, which they have mentioned over here by Padmate, and we're going to test it out. I'm going to play some clips on my another phone to see if it blocks out as much as it says. So let me just plug it into my ears. Alright, all ready to go. And you can feel that sound just being cut off, so I may be speaking a bit louder. So just imagine yourself listening to some music. Alright, and let's just play something here.
Between two very powerful and interesting phones. In the first corner here, we have
alright, so right now it's on ANC. And to be honest, I don't hear anything at all. I can't. Very minimal on the speaker here. And even if I pause my earbuds, yeah, I mean, I do hear stuff, but it's definitely cutting out a lot of sound. If I'm playing on my music, playing on my clips, I really cannot hear anything. Alright, so let's go to wind noise reduction. you would hear a little bit more, but still not too bad, not too bad. And if you go to audio pass-through, yeah, definitely you hear a lot more stuff coming in. So I would say I'm very impressed with the ANC that I'm getting from the Pamu Slide 2. It just works really nice, very seamless, and the ANC, this is just really awesome. Alright, so now we'll talk about the latency when it comes to the Slide 2s, and I've used it for some gaming sessions, I've used it for some content watching over here, and what I can say is that the latency is actually very minimal. Of course, with the help of the Bluetooth 5.2 connection, everything works really nice, and if you guys want to use this for watching your shows, playing your games, it is highly recommended, and it's just working really nice, really fun, and yeah, got nothing to complain about it. Okay, and of course, one of the most important thing when it comes to your earbuds is actually how do they sound, and it's a bit hard for me to explain how do they actually sound with my words over here. But what I can say is that these are the kind of music I listen to, right? Coldplay, The Score, Imagine Dragons. So in terms of bass, a lot of treble, all this other stuff, I really need it and I really want to enjoy it. And I can say that with the Pamu Slide 2s, I really can do that over here. It just sounds really nice. You get a good amount of bass, clarity in terms of the voice as well, the mids and the highs, they all sound really balanced. And of course, if you go on to the app settings as well, you can change the EQ sound effect. But to be honest, for me, I just prefer it to be in the normal mode. It just sounds really nice, very balanced, and I can see myself just using this for long periods of time. Alright, so now we're doing a fit and also a mic test with the Pamu Slide 2s, and this is basically how it looks like. Very small, not very bulky, and not very, kind of distracting. And what I can say is that because it's so lightweight, it feels really comfortable in your ears. You can use it for hours on your flights or whatsoever. You won't really feel any strain with it. The silicone ear tips as well are quite comfortable, I would say. I think overall they're just quite good. And even if you're going to use it for like some gym workouts, just squinting your eyes and whatsoever, it still stays in very snug, very fit. And also this is just the mic test quality as well, so expect your calls to sound like this. So if you can use it for FaceTime or whatsoever, yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so that is it with the Pamu Slide 2, and what I can say is that, to be honest, I am just honestly speaking over here, I really do like this. It just sounds really nice. The design is just really cool. I like this sliding mechanism and connection as well. Everything all just fits in really nice, and I just like what they're doing. ANC as well. And if you compare this to many other big brands, I gotta say, it actually does give it a nice competition if you guys want something new as well. I think this is really nice to use. And of course, if you guys want to get this at a discount, you can just use my code, which I will leave in down below over there in the comment section and also in the description. And of course, if you guys want to know a little bit more, or if you want to share your opinions and thoughts, do leave it in the comment section down below. So if you guys did enjoy this video and want to see more of this type of videos, do click the like and smash the subscribe button down below for more videos like this in the future. Do also follow me on my social as well on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also here on YouTube at Dr. Hammerstack. So that is it. This is Dr. Hammerstack. Stay safe, take care, and wash those hands.